It's been a while since I've tried to watch it. The old version, it no longer starts. Downloaded in advance. The folder where it will be saved. Install a different version. Older versions should be deleted before proceeding. Initial startup. Tap Cancel. Log in. Once logged in, tap Only. How to change language. Tap Profile. Tap the display language. Tap the desired language. Tap Restart. I was able to change it successfully. I'll play it. I was able to play it. Play the others just in case. Tap Play. I was able to play it. No problem. Search in browser. This version. Download APK. The holder to be saved is explained in the front part of the video. I've already downloaded it. I'll cancel it. In this version, I think it will work for a while. Thank you for watching.